What's up, everyone? It's Dave with Cell House Columbus, and I'm here with Jane. And today we're coming to you from a nursing home in West Jefferson, but we're purchasing a house in Columbus, and the seller of the house is staying here in this nursing home, and Jane is pretty much helping her out. You were pretty much kind of her caretaker throughout this whole situation and whatnot. So we're buying Diane's house, and Diane is here buying it for cash. And Jane, what was your experience like kind of working with myself and my team?
Dave could not have made this any easier. I was helping her sell her home, but I had this home that was filled with all of her possessions. I had no time to clean out her home, and I'm staying awake at night thinking, how am I going to sell this house? And so I Googled and I said, how to sell a house as is in Columbus, Ohio, and Dave's company, Cell House Columbus, popped up. And it was like in the middle of the night, and it was like an answer to prayer, and I'm so grateful that I found that.
We've built a good little friendship here throughout this process.
Yes,
and
we have.
I was not the only company that you originally talked to.
No,
right?
I talked to yours and two other ones because I wanted to give her options.
And do you remember who the other companies were?
Heels Homes and Harborview.
Those are both also very good companies, and in fact I've done business with some of them, and they do a great job as well. But just like you said, you wanted to explore all options.
Yes.
It's like a car. I mean, if you're going to buy a car, you might want to test drive a couple different ones, right?
Yes, exactly.
What made you want to work with me?
Well, I think that was just when your video popped up in the middle of the night when I was stressed out thinking, how am I going to do this? I just felt like that's who I should go with, and you have bent over backwards to make this as easy as possible, and it's really been a delight to work with you, and I would recommend Cell House Columbus to anyone.
Oh, that's amazing. And so you were, the house was full of stuff. It still is, right?
It's a lot of stuff.
You didn't have to clean anything out, did you?
I didn't have to repair anything. I didn't have to clean anything out, and it was done quickly, and I couldn't recommend you any more highly than I possibly can.
So
really great.
You were given a lot of responsibility. So you go to church with Diane, who's the seller.
Yes.
And I mean, you work in the ministry and whatnot, and you provide support for people who need it within your church. But you didn't really sign up for this whole task of like selling a house. So
not exactly, no.
No. So I mean, you probably felt some pressure and whatnot.
Yes.
Hopefully, we were able to make it easier than you had expected.
Again, an answer to prayer. I'm so grateful.
So, if you have a house that you want to sell and it's as-is condition, we bought it as is, right?
Exactly.
And even if it's what some would call a hoarder home, we won't say that about this particular home, but whatever the situation may be, give us a call, give us a try. I mean, she worked with other companies. I'm not here to talk bad about any other company or anything like that, but at least give us a shot. If you're already talking to some other companies, it doesn't hurt to at least see what we can do. And, we're always going to do our best. Give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at cellhousecolumbus.com. And I usually end the videos with a handshake, but in this situation, is it okay if we end with a hug?
Yes. Thank you.
All right. We'll see you soon.